tutorial is for those of you on our monthly and annual subscription plans that want to access the replays of the live online classes as well as other bonus videos. When you subscribed, you would have received an email with instructions to download our video app. And then once downloaded, the app would then appear on your phone, your tablet, or your iPad. So we're just going to go through what that looks like on your device and how to find the replays and the bonus videos on your cell phone, your iPad, or your tablet. So what we want to do is go to the app. I'm going to just hold this up here. So I'm just going to click on the app on my screen, and it actually opens the entire thing up completely. So over that, as you just mouse over, you'll see the third option down is Member Video App, danceScapeTVLive into the program. It's now currently loading the app. And as we see on this screen, there's a lot going on in the screen, but quite frankly, all we really need to be interested in is where it says Training Program on the left-hand.